Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 11 best gadgets in 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. To paraphrase Ferris Bueller, tech moves pretty fast, and if you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss the chance to own a drone with a 12-megapixel camera which starts hovering when it recognizes your face. So keep up with our weekly pick of the best gadgets in tech out right now, whether you're after something simple to make your everyday more frictionless or something a bit special. To be specific, the something a bit special is a tennis kit bag that also fires tennis balls at you. 1. Nothing phone. 1. Fashion has been drag-kicking and screaming to the early 2000s, so it was only a matter of time before the tech world followed suit. Reminiscent of the translucent case designs of third-party N64 controllers and iMac G3s, tech brand Nothing's new mid-range smartphone lives up to its name, the USP being that it's a see-through device crafted with sturdy Gorilla Glass that allows you to look at the machine's inner workings. Over 9,000 LED lights, which the brand calls a glyph interface, communicate notifications, battery status, and incoming calls through a series of patterns, and everything is geared up to be as unobtrusive as possible. We're used to do it all smartphones that attempt to keep you scrolling, tapping, and consuming for as long as possible, but the Nothing Phone 1 aims to cultivate a more mindful approach to phone use and life in general. The display is vivid, the dual camera impressive, and the battery charge fast, while the Android interface is as cleanly designed as you'd expect. 2. Perfect Draft Pro. There are two ways to be the best guy at the BBQ. You can man the grills all day, an extremely stressful and lonely experience, despite what the mainstream media would have you believe. Or you could bring the Perfect Draft Pro along and simply put your feet up. Guests can pour their own pints of beer from the machine, and you can monitor the temperature of the 6-liter keg for optimum crispness via your smartphone app. Easy. You can choose from over 50 of them, including some of our favorite breweries like Tiny Rebel, Dark Arts, and Mikkeller. 3. Logitech Litra Glow. If you can't bring yourself to buy an influencer-style ring light for your daily Zoom calls, then this is the perfect alternative. Logitech's Litra Glow clips to the top of your laptop, emitting a wide and soft glow, and while it's technically designed for streamers, i.e. Twitch gamers who haven't slept in 2 days and would benefit from some flattering lighting, it'll more than do the job for everyday work meetings. You can adjust the brightness and color temperatures to find the best light for your skin tone, too. 4. Sky Glass, an intuitive, minimalist 4K QLED TV that functions without an aerial dish. Sky's new all-in-one entertainment system does things a little differently. Available in 3 sizes and 5 colors, the idea is that you pick one of several pricing plans on a 24 or 48-month basis, rather than buy the screen outright, plus a Sky TV streaming subscription. Then you're away, free to enjoy the device's impressive Dolby Vision HDR and Atmos sound systems, voice capabilities, and plethora of streaming options and apps. It's all very easy to use and seamless in its performance. You can't record movies and TV shows, but there are plenty available as part of the streaming packages, and it gives you the option of beginning a movie from the start if you tune in halfway through. An affordable way to jump on the 4K train. 5. Theravati TheraFace Pro. Theravati is tired of dealing with our aching muscles. Now the American fitness brand is coming for our faces. Luckily, it has opted for something a little gentler this time around. The TheraFace Pro is a percussive device that comes with a trio of smooth silicone attachments, a multi-spectrum LED light, ring that boosts collagen production, and a microcurrent capability that tones facial muscles. We were impressed when we tested it out at launch, and we think it's a great option for people who hold a lot of tensions around their jaw. There are also heat and cryo attachments available separately. 6. Bang & Olufsen Beaplay Portal. Stylish gaming headphones sound like a contradiction in terms, but Bang & Olufsen are doing things a little differently. The audio giant's new wireless Beaplay Portal matches understated design with the kind of technical features you need on a modern warfare session: lossless connection, 4 separate mics for impeccably crisp communication, surround sound with Dolby Atmos, and active noise cancellation. Getting relentlessly ridiculed by American teenagers has never sounded better. 7. Teak TN 280 BTA3 Turntable. The vinyl resurgence shows no sign of stopping. After years of offering our lives up to the cloud, it's clear that people are interested in owning things again. Specifically, a well-curated collection of LP. But the next step is to find a record player that looks as good as it sounds. Opt for Teak's 70s style TN280 BTA3 in walnut, a 2-speed belt drive turntable that features built-in Bluetooth, which means no tricky wiring. 8. Philips 3-in-1 air purifier, fan and heater. They said it couldn't be done. An air purifier, a fan and a heater, all wrapped up into one sleek package? Inconceivable. The fan and the heater are natural adversaries after all, and the addition of an air purifier would surely guarantee that any such device would end up as large, ugly, and spluttering as a 1950s computer. But Philips have created a true triple threat with the 3-in-1. The fan oscillates 350 deg, ensuring that warm or refreshing, but always purified, air is distributed around the room. 9. Dado Sleep Aid Device. Finding it hard to sleep? It might be that you're struggling to turn your brain off. There are plenty of mindfulness methods you can apply to fix that, but Dado is perhaps the simplest tech-based approach. It's a simple device that projects a blue light onto your ceiling at a metronomic pace for 8 to 20 minutes, which you match to your breath. Take a breath in when it expands and breath out when it retracts. You should find that focusing your attention on the exercise calms your mind and you'll be off to sleep in no time. 10. Lark Water Pitcher. Lark self-cleaning bottles strip tap water of harmful bacteria and chemicals, eliminating 99.8% of E. coli in a 20-second cycle. It's all very impressive stuff, and you can really taste the difference in the quality of your water. So the Bay Area-based startup's decision to reinvent the humble pitcher is a good one. It uses advanced technology to get rid of chlorine, mercury, cadmium, copper, and all that nasty stuff, and can track your water intake on the app. The filters also last a surprisingly long time. 11. Theragun PRO Limited Edition Gold-Plated Massager. If Salt Bee has taught us anything, beyond messy seasoning methods, it's that covering something in gold is the key to success. So it goes without saying that your workout would benefit from this gold-plated Theragun PRO, of which only 550 have been made. A bespoke serial number is engraved on the device. You can read our full review of the device, sans gold, in our Best Massage Gun Roundup here. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.